Welcome to Anthony's Amazing World. We're here today. We're going to work on my 1995 Ford Explorer power steering hose that I need to change. It's leaking, so I'll take you on this adventure for my first time on changing it after 250,000 miles of it running. So we'll jump right into that. So I just wanted to show you the main reason why I'm going to change it out. I've already tightened this pretty good, and for some reason it's like really loose, and I've had it blown out the side all over the side of my Explorer right here. It's like wondering, why is it all wet? I started looking and seeing that it was all wet up in here, and found out that it was coming from right there. Anyways, I got a new one. Figured I'd change it since I've tightened it all the way down as much as possible. Now the difficult part that I found out that I tried earlier was down here, this area. Right there is the one we gotta get to, and you can't really get to it with a wrench or anything. Here, I'll put this right here so you can see. I tried me a line wrench, which it is an 18, I found out, but I have no room to move it. So my boss lent me this crow's foot wrench, so that I can get right in there and unloosen the bottom and drain it out. I'm going to drain it out from the bottom here. So it's on there, but I gotta get it. Okay, here we go. Just broke it loose. Now it should be pretty easy, hopefully. Maybe not. But I did break it loose, so it is a start. There we go. Really probably just need a yeah, this is tough. I've never done this before, but ouch. By the way, it is full up there, so I'm expecting it to drain out whatever, at least that's up top. Sorry if it's a bad camera angle, but try to. Should put the swivel on the other end. Getting tough for me. There we go. Come on. It's almost like I need a smaller one of these too. Gotta move it all the way to one side, then I gotta put it back on there. Put the chip back on. Take it off. This is not an easy job. I would like to see somebody else that has an easier way of maybe doing this. I don't see an easier way of doing this unless you have all the other hoses off. And it is loosening up. So I'm assuming I'm getting closer. Maybe. Gotta take a break. Alright, I rested a little bit and get back to it. I'm pretty sure I'm getting closer. There we go. Alright, it's coming. Not really worried about this nut, but still want to do it the right way. Show everyone how you should take them on and off, I guess. Got a new one put on. Nope, can't do it by hand yet. Almost there. Looks like it's loose. There we go. Doesn't look like it leaks out too much. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There we go. That's what I figured it would do. I'll let it drain in a little bucket. I'll decap the top. And, all right. Well, it's not coming out the top. Or it's not draining, really. I mean, it is a little bit, but... Oh, yeah, you can see the little plastic crush washer is destroyed on this one. Now I'll take off the top one. Leaking out of the other part there. Looks like a little bit of plastic is stuck in there. Oh. Take it off for a moment. There's like a little bit of plastic right there. I'll have to get out. It's all leaking out of there. I'm gonna have to take a break and get the rest of that plastic stuff out. Okay, now I'll use my normal 18mm line wrench. Loosen this guy up. Get it on there. This thing's on here real good. Yeah. See if my little guy will work or not. I'll go ahead and try to use the crow's foot wrench. Ah, there we go. That's what I needed. Should be loose now. Loose enough now. Yep. Okay. There we go. It's coming, it's coming. And there we go. Get this thing out. Don't know why it was loose. Loose. Don't think it should be like that. Anyways, got the new one right here. Kind of odd that it has play like that. Hopefully, it being new, I'll tighten down, and I got these new plastic washers that should seal them up. Well, that's should be nice. All right, I'll get to that in here in a moment. Putting it on. All right, here we go. I'm gonna put on the new hose line. I'm gonna start by hand right here. It's like you always start things. Start by hand. Especially this. You don't want to cross thread this. All right. Let's go in there nice and smoothly. Now I'm gonna tighten this down until the plastic, and then I'm gonna snug it down on both sides. So I did that. I'll do the bottom. All right. Gonna start the bottom. I gotta plate the hose a little bit and line it up just right. This might be a little more difficult. Nearly impossible to do. Ugh. All right. Come on. Maybe I should make sure it twists, huh? Okay. Hard thing is get my fingers in here and it start. There we go. I gotta use both my index fingers just to start it. This is not easy at all. Nope, didn't even start it. Thought I started it, and nope. Ugh. Probably have to start from the top there. have a better chance of starting it right here. Nope. Let's see if I hold it right there. You gotta hold the hose at a certain angle just to start it. Okay, gotta take a pause. Okay, round 2. Here we go. Pretty sure it started now. Now I just kind of wiggle it. It's on. I'm pretty sure it's on. I'll try with the tool now. Yeah, it's on. It's on. Yeah. Not a problem though. I only have so much room that I can turn it. Yep, it's in there. This is one of the hardest jobs I've had. You can see I only get like a quarter of a turn. And then I gotta restart. Put it back on. And that's it. That's the turn, quarter turn I got. So it goes on right there. And then just ratchet back on. And right there. That's as far as it goes. Wouldn't have been able to do it without this little crow's foot though. Damn it. getting in the rhythm now. Just gotta find that rhythm. Getting there. Almost to the end. It's getting tighter now. And I think we'll leave it right about there. It seems about tight. Go ahead and tighten the top now, and we'll call it good. Okay, just gonna finish up this video here. I'm gonna tighten up the top one from the inside of my fender well here, and then we'll wrap up the video. I'm only gonna snug it because they're plastic washers, so I can always come back later, snug it down a little more until it stops leaking. Hopefully, that's the way it should be, at least in theory. It's kind of hard either way, from the top or the bottom, but it should be down on the plastic, if you can see it right there. I'm going to leave it right there. I'm going to fill her up and drive it for a couple days, and I'll check it periodically, come back to it later, see if I need to snug it up. Anyways, if you guys liked the video and if it was helpful to you, hit that like, subscribe, and share button. We'll catch you all later on Anthony's Amazing World. See y'all later.